XP is, again, a seriously sharp scissor. So sharp that you can create a razor effect. If I very, very slightly just close the scissors, just the tips, as I'm working, it slices it out very, very minutely. And it uses a similar mechanism as the Millennium. So fluid to use. I don't need to change it, I don't need to adjust it. It stays exactly how I want it to sit. A traditional screw system would loosen off too quickly, or it was difficult to adjust because you couldn't quite do it enough, or you did it a little bit too tightly, and then it would restrict the movement in which you were cutting. I don't give any thought to that when I'm cutting with an XP because nothing changes. It stays exactly as I want it to.